Welcome to the Lean Six Sigma world, your ultimate destination for mastering Lean Six Sigma. In this video, we will explain what is Poka-Yoke. What is mistake proofing and foolproofing? Poka-Yoke is very important to understand for the growth of any organization. But before we dive in, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And hit that notification bell so that you never miss our power-packed videos. Let's get started. So, what is Poka-Yoke? In the fast-paced world of manufacturing and process optimization, the term Poka-Yoke has gained significant importance. Often associated with error prevention, Poka-Yoke, a Japanese term which means mistake-proofing or error-proofing, or also called as fool-proofing, plays a crucial role in enhancing operational efficiency and ensuring product quality. Originating from the Toyota production system in the 1960s, Poka-Yoke emerged as a response to the need for foolproofing processes to minimize defects and errors in manufacturing. In the world of Lean Six Sigma, achieving perfection in processes is a relentless pursuit. One of the key tools in this endeavor is Poka-Yoke, a Japanese term that translates to mistake-proofing or error-proofing. Poka-Yoke is a crucial concept that aims to eliminate errors in manufacturing and service processes, thereby enhancing quality and efficiency. Poka-Yoke in Lean Six Sigma was introduced by Shigeo Shingo, a Japanese engineer who played a significant role in the development of the Toyota production system. The primary objective of Poka-Yoke is to prevent errors before they occur, rather than correcting them after the fact. This proactive approach involves designing processes, systems, and tools in such a way that mistakes are either impossible or immediately detectable and correctable. Poka-Yoke in Lean Six Sigma plays a vital role in ensuring processes are designed to prevent errors from occurring in the first place. In conclusion, Poka-Yoke stands as a powerful tool in the pursuit of operational excellence. Its principles of error prevention, simplicity, and foolproofing have made it a cornerstone of quality management across various industries. Have you seen Poka-Yoke implementation in your organization? Let us know in the comments below. And that's a wrap. So you now understand what is Poka-Yoke? And why this is important to understand for the growth of any organization. If you found this video valuable, hit that like button, share it with your friends, and drop a comment below with your thoughts. We would love to hear from you. Do not forget to subscribe to the Lean Six Sigma world and turn on the notification button so that you do not miss our upcoming powerful videos. Let us know what type of videos you want to watch in the coming times on Lean Six Sigma topics. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Stay tuned because we have more exciting Lean Six Sigma insights coming your way. Thanks for your valuable time, and I will see you in the next powerful video.